Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, I have something interesting here. Today, we are going to watch a film which has different kinds of conversations. It's an interesting way to learn how to converse.
What does it contain?
Different common situations. The first section has greetings, introductions, conversation starters, and invitations.
Greetings? We just say hello, don't we?
Not always. In the classroom we used good morning.
Exactly. That's the difference. You say hi or hello when you greet one another. But while at a meeting in the office or in a classroom, you use good morning or good afternoon or good evening.
Okay, ma'am. What's the best way for introductions?
While introducing yourself, you can use hello, I am Rajiv or I am Geeta. While introducing others, you could say,
Ma'am, can I try?
yes, why not?
Hello everybody. Meet my friend Akash.
That's good. You could also use, this is my friend Akash. While introducing a colleague, you could say, I would like to introduce my colleague, Mr. Vijay. He is with the sales department.
Okay. What do you say after being introduced?
Good question. When you're introduced, you can say, pleased to meet you, or nice meeting you, or it's a pleasure meeting you.
What does the other person say?
The responses would be, pleased to meet you too, or nice meeting you too.
Wow, I didn't know that.
How do you start conversations politely?
Yes, I too have this problem.
You could just say, how are you? Or, how have you been? Or, how are you doing? The responses would be, fine, thank you, how are you? Or, good, thank you, and you? Or, very well, thank you, and you?
Ma'am, how can we accept or refuse invitations politely?
Okay, that's about invitations and responses to invitation. While inviting people, you could say, come in and sit down, please. If you are inviting a colleague to join you, you say politely, would you like to join me for a cup of coffee? Or, may I take you out for dinner? You can accept an invitation by saying, yes, thank you. Or, I would love to, thank you. In case you are declining an invitation, you need to be polite and say, that's very nice of you.
Good morning, Mrs. Divya.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Vijay.
Mrs. Divya, are you busy?
No, not really. Please come in, Mr. Vijay.
Thank you. Actually, I came in to ask you if you could do me a favor. Would you be able to help me?
Yes, of course. What is it?
You know, Miss Priya, the PRO from our head office is arriving today. Actually, I'm supposed to go to the airport to receive her. I'm in a fix because I have a meeting with a client at 10 o'clock. I wonder if you would be able to go to the airport instead of me.
Sure, I can. What time is the flight scheduled to arrive?
It's arriving at 10:30 from Delhi.
That's fine. I'll receive her. Yes, since I haven't seen Miss Priya, could you describe her to me in some details?
She's tall, quite tall, about 5'9" or 5'10". She's slim and has a wheatish complexion.
How old is she?
She's young, probably in her late 20s or early 30s.
Okay, go on. Some more details if you can.
Yes. She has long black hair and she generally leaves them loose. She doesn't tie them up.
Right. Anything else that you remember?
You can easily identify her because of her height, and she's very cheerful. She always has a smile on her face. A lovely, warm smile. You can't miss that.
Interesting. She seems very friendly.
Yes, she is. I've known her to be very non-interfering. She's an extremely polite and friendly person, and I find her very professional too.
That helps. I'll go and receive her. In fact, I'll leave in another 10 minutes.
You can go in the company car and take her straight to the company guest house.
Okay, I'll do that. When is she expected at the office?
She's joining us for lunch in the office at 2 o'clock. Then we have a meeting.
Hello. Hello everybody. Hello Mrs. Chopra. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Welcome all of you. Please sit down and feel comfortable.
Hello, Rajni. Meet my friend Asha. She's my new neighbor. Asha, this is Rajni. She's an old friend.
Hello, Rajni.
Hello Asha. Good to have you with us. Welcome to the group.
Hello, Rajini. This is Kiran. She teaches dance at the Natya School of Dance.
Hello Kiran. Welcome to the party. Please feel at home. Riya, take care of Kiran and introduce her to the others. We have a new friend, Asha, with us.
Hello everybody. I teach Kathak.
Interesting. Actually, I would like to send my daughter to a dance school. I wonder if I could bring her to your dance school this week?
Oh yes, you can bring her there any time between 2 and 5 on Monday, Wednesday or Friday.
I'll do that. Could I have your phone number, please?
Sure, here's my card.
Thank you.
Hi, Geeta. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Riya.
Geeta, are you free on Saturday?
Yes, I'm quite free. Why?
Do you feel like going out on a picnic?
Really? How nice. I'm ready.
Good. So that's settled. I'll call you up to give you the details later.
Fine. Kiran, how about joining us for a picnic on Saturday?
I would love to join. Where are we going?
We'll decide on the place later. Can you come on Saturday?
I'll join you all. I'm free on Saturday.
Rajni, would you like to join us for a picnic on Saturday?
Saturday? I would have loved to, but I can't. I have a wedding to attend.
Oh, can you join us later in the day?
I am really...
Hello, sir. Hello, madam. What can I do for you?
We're looking for a good silk saree. Could you show us some?
Sure, sir. Do you have any specific choice?
We would like to see something different from the usual ones. Not Kanjivaram also. Could you show us some of the variety of silk?
Yes, sir. Would you like to see silks from Orissa or Bengal? They are unusual and rich.
Yes. Could you show some?
Please come this way, sir. I will show them to you.
What kind of sarees are these?
This one is a Sambhalpuri silk saree. It's from Orissa. They have elaborate thread work on them with exquisite pallus. Here, sir. Have a look.
They are very nice. What about those? Could you show us some of those?
Sure, sir. Here. These are Kanta work sarees from Bengal. These are known for their rich hand embroideries.
Could you show us that black saree with an orange border?
Very good choice, sir. It's easy to wash and maintain too. Shall I pack it, sir?
What's the cost?
This will cost you 4,500.
That's expensive. Don't you have any discount?
Not really, sir.
No. You must give us a discount on this.
Let me find out. You can get a discount, sir. After discount, it will cost you 4,000 rupees.
Okay. Please pack it for us.
Please pay at the counter there, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Can I help you?
Yes. I'm looking for a good book on biotechnology.
This way, sir. Here, you can find the book you require. Do you want any specific title or publication?
Not really. But I want a good book on the subject.
This section has Indian publications, and this section is full of imported publications.
I'm a little confused.
Shall I show you some, sir?
That would be helpful. Thank you.
Here, sir. You can have a look. This is a good book, an Indian publication. And this one is an American publication. Take a look at both of them before you decide.
Yes. I think this Indian publication is pretty good. Is there a discount?
There is a 10% discount, sir.
Hi, Suresh. Hi, Arjun. good to have you both back. I missed you both a lot.
Hi Aditya. Yes, it's really good to come back home. Though the camp was good, we too missed you.
I'm waiting to hear everything. How was the camp? Gosh, 1 whole month? You must have had a great time, I'm sure.
Oh yes, we did. In spite of the hectic schedule, we had a great time.
You know, apart from the regular parade and routine activities, we got to see a lot of celebrities. We even spent time with them.
Really? That's wonderful. Who were the celebrities that you met?
We had quite a few of them. For our cultural evening, Sunidhi Chauhan was the guest. We had a good time. She even sang for all of us.
Then we had Kapil Dev, Kiran Bedi, Pankaj Advani, Ustad Amjad Ali Khan.
Kapil Dev and Kiran Bedi? Long list of famous people. That's great. I thought NCC camps had nothing to do with famous people.
Of course, we had the usual parades, drills and other activities. They were hectic and very tiring. But we chose to be there and the whole tough experience was good.
The celebrities were brought in to motivate the cadets. All of them spoke to us.
That's interesting. Who was the best among them?
The session with Kiran Bedi was very good. She's amazing. She's the pride of the police force. But the most amazing time that we spent was with our president.
Oh, the president. Wow, fantastic. I really envy you people. I am sure you loved every moment of your meeting with our president.
You know Aditya, he's truly inspiring. He is a genuine person and very humble. He enjoyed talking to youngsters.
Yes, he's so full of life. He loves music.
He was so warm to all of us. He's...
That was very interesting, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
English is very fascinating, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It is, ma'am.
Your reply is an example how you answer a question which asks for confirmation.
Please tell us a little more clearly.
When I ask a question which ends with wasn't it, or isn't it, or didn't it, or can they, etc., you always answer with a yes or no.
Should it always be a yes or no?
No, generally we reply to the questions like this. Yes, we can, or no, we didn't. Am I right, ma'am?
Absolutely right. But remember, these questions are for confirmation only.
It would help if we knew what are the other types of questions.
Yes, of course. Where do you come from?
I come from JP Nagar, ma'am.
Good. Have you noticed that he didn't answer my question with a yes or no? It was a very simple reply.
Yes. Why is it so?
Generally, when we ask for information, we use what, where, how, who, etc. And the answer is a sentence always.
Excuse me, ma'am. How do I make a polite request? It is very important, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It is better to ask the listener if he or she is willing. For example, could you bring me that marker, please?
Yes, certainly.
You see, that was a polite request and a polite reply. Requests like, can I give you a lift, is used with friends. To be more polite, we could say, would you mind if I give you a lift?
How do we reply to these requests?
If it is a positive reply, it could be, yes, of course, or sure, why not? But you have to be very polite if it is a refusal, like, I would have, but I'm leaving for Mumbai this evening.
What about offers, ma'am?
Good question. When you make an offer to do something, you could use can for friends and would or shall for more politeness. For example, would you like me to get some books? Or can I get you some snacks?
We could respond by saying, Yes, please. Or no, thank you.
Yes, that was very good.
Ma'am, is it necessary to be polite even while giving suggestions?
It is necessary because advices and suggestions are polite forms of commands.
So, we have to sound polite, isn't it?
Yes, like, if I were you, I would sell this motorbike. Or, I suggest you take the day train. Or, you should save some money.
There are so many ways of being polite. I think we need to learn a lot.
Of course, learning is a continuous process. Okay, let us continue watching the film where we have the usage of enquiries, requests, offers and suggestions.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Could you please give us information about trains to Chennai?
Yes. The Lalbagh Express leaves at 6:30 a.m. The Shatabdi Express is also in the morning at 6:45. The Vrindavan Express is at 2:10 p.m. The Madras Mail is at 9:45 in the night.
Could you please tell us if there are seats available on the Vrindavan Express?
When do you need the ticket for?
It's for the 8th, sir. AC coach, please.
Just a moment. Let me check. Oh, I'm sorry, but there are no seats for the 8th.
Oh, could you tell me the date on which the ticket is available?
Well, yes. You can get it on the 10th. Will that be okay?
Right, sir. We will take the ticket for the 10th.
Please fill this form and give it at the booking counter number 2.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Here, madam.
The name written is Akash, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, here's your ticket. The fare is rupees 1,250.
Here is the money.
I don't seem to have the right change. Do you?
Good morning. May I help you, sir?
Good morning. We would like to book a room for 3 days.
Sure, sir. Single or double?
Double. Double, of course.
Just a moment, sir. Yes, sir. You could have one on the 2nd floor.
She wants to know if we could get a room on the ground floor.
Let me see. Yes, we have just one room next to the lift. Will that be okay?
Alright, we'll take that one. What are your charges?
For a double room, it is rupees 1,500 per day.
Okay. What about food? Do you have a restaurant attached?
Yes, we do have a restaurant. You could order food from your room itself.
You have hot water throughout the day, don't you?
Yes, sir. You can use hot water throughout the day. We also provide room heaters since it's very cold here.
Good. One last information. Would you be able to arrange transport for us to go around Kodaikanal?
Certainly. But that will cost you extra, sir.
That's fine. We'll discuss that later. Probably after breakfast. We would like to check in right away.
Sure, sir. Please enter your name and contact number here. The attender will carry your suitcases. It's room number 15. In case you require anything else, please do call room service.
Yes, of course. Thank you so much.
At last, I have been given the leave due to me. My manager has given me permission for a holiday.
Great. How many days of leave do you have? When can we go? I'm excited already.
I have got about 2 weeks. I can take it from the first week of next month. Now, tell me, where shall we go?
Why don't we go to Munnar? The hills are supposed to be beautiful. Some of my friends told me that it's a lovely place. Oh, what about the expenses? How much will it cost us? Will it be very expensive?
Okay, how about going to a travel agent this evening? He could help us with all the doubts.
Yes. Yes, we'll go in the evening.
Good evening, sir. How can I help you?
Good evening. I am Sunil, and this is my wife Geeta. We have a few days off and would like to go on a holiday.
We want a good holiday at a reasonable cost. It has to suit our budget.
Where do you plan to go and for how many days?
We would like to go to Munnar for about 2 weeks.
Sir, 2 weeks in Munnar will be a bit expensive. We could actually arrange for you to visit nearby tourist spots too. That trip will be very interesting.
That is a good idea. What about accommodation and travel?
What kind of a hotel will you arrange for us? It should be a decent one.
Madam, you will have no cause to complain. Our arrangements are very good and comfortable. After all, we want our customers to come back to us again and again.
Could you give me a copy of the schedule along with the cost? Is it possible to give it to us by tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
That was fun.
And a lot of learning.
Yes, it was. Okay, now in the last section, we have permissions, prohibitions, obligations, and apologies.
While seeking permissions, I just have to say, can I, isn't it?
Can I is used when you talk casually to a friend or your family. You seek permission politely by saying, "Could I go early today?" If you're seeking permission from a person in a higher position, like your principal or your boss, you need to say, "May I come in?"
How do we respond to permission?
Yes, that's important too. Well, you could say, "Yes, you can," or "Yes, you may."
Suppose someone asks me, would you mind if I borrow this book?
You could say, "No, not at all, I don't mind," or "Not at all, you can take the book."
What's prohibition?
Prohibition is when you don't allow someone to do something. Right, ma'am?
Absolutely right. Prohibition is the negation of permission. Like, you may not go trekking unless you get a fitness certificate. Or, you must not keep them waiting.
Ma'am, if I say, she shouldn't be so impatient, isn't it a prohibition?
Yes, very good. Now, tell me, what do you understand by obligation?
Obligatory sentences show compulsion, isn't it?
Yes, obligations are compulsory expressions. Must, have to, or need to, or used for things necessary like, "I must invite everybody," or "You will have to clean up the room," or "He needs to practice more."
Ma'am, while apologizing, can we use pardon?
Yes, pardon is a form of apology, particularly when you don't understand what someone's saying. "Excuse me" is a mild apology. It can be used.
Good morning.
Good morning. I would like to see the doctor, please.
The patient's name and address, please.
Her name is Geeta, and the address is 24, 5th Cross, 31st Main, Richmond Layout.
Please sit down. I will inform the doctor. You can go in now.
Good morning. Please come in and sit down.
This is my wife Geeta, and she's very sick.
Tell me, what's your problem?
Oh, sorry, doctor. She has a bad cold and fever, and a bad headache too. She can neither eat nor sleep.
It's a viral fever. How long has she been suffering?
Since yesterday.
Please ask her to lie down. I would like to examine her.
Sure, doctor.
She has become very weak because of the fever. I will prescribe some medicines. Meanwhile, I would like you to get some tests done. A blood test. Please bring me the results as soon as possible.
I will. But how should she take the medicines?
She needs to take these tablets once in the morning and once in the night. She should also have a teaspoon of this vitamin syrup.
What about the diet, doctor?
She should not eat anything hot and spicy. Give her some fruits, chapatis, dal. Bring her back for a checkup after 2 days.
I will. Definitely.
Good morning. What can I do for you?
Good morning. We are here to meet the principal. We have an appointment for 11:30 a.m.
Just a minute. I'll see if he is free. You may go in. He will see you now.
Good morning, sir. I'm Sunil, and this is my wife Geeta. I work as an executive in Cello India Private Limited.
Good morning. Nice meeting you. Please sit down. What can I do for you?
We have come here for the admission of my son Rahul. He is 6 years old. Could you please tell us the procedure, sir?
We follow a certain set of rules regarding the admissions. You will have to collect the application form, fill it up and submit it to the office. We will inform you about the date of the interview through a letter.
Interview? For a 6-year-old child?
What would the interview be like?
The interview, apart from testing his knowledge, will also tell us about his upbringing and his nature.
Is it an interview for the parents also?
Yes. We also ask a few questions to the parents to see whether they will be able to cope with our syllabus and requirements.
We would like to know the fee structure, sir.
Please collect the details at the office. You have to wait till the admission is finalized. The letter for the interview will reach you in 2 weeks' time. Please contact us after that. I will see how best I can help you.
That would be very kind of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. We would like to open an account here. Could you please tell us the procedure?
Do you want to open a savings bank account or a current account?
A savings bank account.
Please go to the lady sitting near that counter. She is the accountant. She will help you.
Thank you.
Yes, how can I help you?
Madam, we want to open an SB account. How should we do that? Could you help us?
Yes, please sit down. You have to fill this form and give it to me. Do you want a checkbook?
Yes, we want one.
Then please mention it there.
Yes, we want the account to be a joint one. Can I include his name in the form?
Yes, you can. You have to open the account with a deposit of 500 rupees.
Why rupees 500, madam? I mean, is it not possible to reduce the minimum balance?
Sorry, no. That is the minimum balance. We do have ATM and debit card facilities. You can use them too.
When will we get those cards?
Please fill this form and give it to me. You will receive the cards within 10 days. Anything else?
Nothing else, madam. Here are the forms and rupees 500. I will come after 2 or 3 days to collect my checkbook and passport. Is that okay?
Yes, you can collect them after 2 days. Thank you. And please do come after 2 or 3 days.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ma'am, watching this film has been wonderful. Learning this way is so much fun.
Can we all say thank you so much?
That's all right. You're welcome. Not at all. These are polite responses when someone thanks you.
That was good.
That was good. That was good.